Hi, good afternoon. It's David Stolfo with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you a real nice Crest 220, Crest II. A real nice boat. This one's trimmed in navy with steel gray on its exterior. So real neat colors. We've gone ahead and brought the gray inside to the interior. You've got the nice gray accent here. The flooring is of the rustic weathered gray polyvinyl flooring, so that pulls the color in super nice. This nice boat is powered with a Mercury 150L. That's a 4-stroke outboard with lots of power. This one has the CPT performance package integrated into the boat. It has a lot of nice things that comes with that. A few of those includes the a full aluminum underskinning under the boat. You got a nice 48-gallon tank in the center log here. Of course, it is a tri-tune. You've got the lifting strakes on the logs as well as splash guards, which makes it really perform nicely. You do have the C-Star hydraulic steering, which makes it easy to handle and perform really well when running through some turns. The Junior Beast ski tow bar is excellent, very sturdy and strong. This boat has a real nice swimming area off the back with a super nice 316L stainless steel 4-rung ladder there, which will make it nice to get in and out of the water with. This one has the center walk-through, which is real easy to get in and out of with the dual lounges back here. The twin captain's chairs that these rotate. Our helm is nice with the Sport Premium tilt wheel. You've got an hours meter. You also have a 2-inch depth finder here. The Fusion stereo is Bluetooth, so that's really good. We're getting the captain's cool cup holders with the boats, and it has a nice little storage area here for your wallet and your keys. So this boat also has the in-floor storage, which is a really nice feature, a nice big ski locker in the floor there, and the premium audio, which I like a lot with the speaker rings around the speakers are lit with LED. And the other thing that I like about this one, it has the changing station on the boat. So that's really good. That's right over here. So this is again a 2019 Crest II 220 tri-tune boat. It's got the 150 Mercury, performs, looks great. We're here in Beaufort, Georgia, and you can reach us directly at 770-614-6968. We'd love to hear from you. You could give us a call and let us know any questions that you have, and we'd love to take you on the water in the boat and have you own it. Thanks. Have a great day. Dave Stolfo. Take care.